Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, how was the math exam? Yes. Hemant, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, how was the math exam for you? Did you attempt?
Thanks, sir.
You attempted math exam?
Yes, sir. It was easy.
It was easy. Okay. So, shall we? We shall start the discussion. If you have at any point, if you have any doubt, you can just interrupt me and or you can put a message and interrupt me. Okay. Is it fine? Okay. The first one, in a certain code, conscious is written as FTJDBNM. How is fishery written in that code? Okay. So here what we have to do, I'll just write that word CONCISE. Okay. Now I will divide that word into three. The first three will form one part. The last three will form one part. The middle one is over here. Okay. So what is the next letter of E? Can anybody tell next letter of E? As Ojasvi. What is the next letter of E? The next letter of E is Hemant.
F.
Yeah. Next letter of E is F, that I will write first. Next letter of S, PQRST, that I will write second. Then the next letter after I, it is J. Okay, so those are F, T, J. They got it like that. Now C. What is the next letter after C? Now here we will take the previous letter. Next previous letter of C is B. That is how they got here B. Okay. Now again, what they have done is next letter of this N, it is M. Again, they have taken these three letters only. Next, previous letter of C is B, previous letter of O is N, and previous letter of N, they have taken M. So basically, they have used the first three words and the middle term. Okay, that is how they got the code. So can anybody tell me what is the answer for fishery? FISHERY. We will divide that into first three and middle letter. Okay. And the last three. So the previous letter of the next letter of Y, next letter of Y would be Z. Next letter of R would be S. Next letter of E would be F. Then the middle one is H. So middle one's previous letter will be G. Now we will take the first three letters, previous one. So F, previous is E. Then I's previous one is H, and S previous letter is R. So you will get the answer as Z S F G E H R. So option number 3 will be the answer. Z S F G E H R. Okay.
Sir, I just joined now. Can you explain this question again?
Okay. So basically, CON CONCISE is that particular word. We are dividing that word into three parts. The first three letters will be one part, middle one will be one part, and the last one will be one part. Got it? Okay. Now we will take the last word, E. What is and we will write it in reverse. What is the opposite alphabet of E? I mean next letter of E. After E comes F. After S comes T.
T.
After I comes
J.
J. Okay. Now we will take the middle letter. Middle letter's previous letter. Middle letter is C, which is the previous letter
E.
B. Okay. Now we will take the first letter CON. What is the previous letter of C?
B.
B. What is the previous letter of O? N.
M.
And what is the previous letter of N? It is
M.
M. So this is how we got the code. Okay. Now you can see the top of the screen. FISHERY. I am dividing that into three parts. The first three letters will form one part. The middle letter will form one part. The last three letters will form one part. Y's opposite is Z. Y's next letter is Z. R's next letter is S. E's next letter is F. So we got ZSF. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Then the middle one, it is H. Opposite of H is, the previous letter is G. Okay. Now we have to consider the first three words. FIS. Previous one of F is E, I is H, S is R. So we will get ZSF GEHR. The option number 3 is the answer. Got an idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second one, it's a figure. Now figures, actually you can get the answers less than 10 seconds. In less than 10 seconds you can find out the answer. Can anybody tell me the answer?
Third.
You have to pick the odd one out. It's actually all the figures are like this. Okay. It is the first figure, second figure, and fourth figure. It is similar because that movement is towards the left. If you make the third figure straight, it would look like this. Okay. So which is the odd one out? The odd one out is the option number 3, because it's like you can tell the legs are pointing towards right. First, second, and fourth figure, the legs are pointing towards the left part of the screen. Got that one? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Chirandan, can you tell me what is the answer for third one?
I don't know, sir, which option I took.
Okay. Third one, problem figure has 2 blanks in it in the place of first and fourth. Okay, first and fourth figures, they have put a question mark. Now here, what we have to find is first one and fourth one you have to find. First one will be related to the second one, and third one will be related to the first one. They will have a relationship. Okay, so the answer is option number 1. Okay, now option number 1, when I put here the arc is like this, then we will have an arc like this, the middle one like this, here it is down, it is like that, and here it is again facing up arc. Okay, now what they have taken over here, they have taken anti-clockwise 90 degree. Okay, now I'll just show here. The first one is like this. It became, I'll take 2 boxes. There are 2 boxes. The first one, the first figure is like this. That became in the second box like this. Okay. So what they have done, they have turned anti-clockwise 90 degree. The second one became like this. Okay. The middle one was like this. It became like this. Just a minute. Okay. So when you do that, you would get the first option as the answer. Okay. It would be turning 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise. So first one will be the answer. Okay. Now fourth one, there are two figures. Okay. Now we will just cut that like this into three parts. Okay. Now the first figure, the triangle was on the top corner. The second figure, it became in the second part. Like that, E was the inverted mirror image of E was in the second one. That became last. And last one, there was an inverted D or mirror image of D. That became the first one. Okay, here you can observe the fourth one over here and fourth one over here. Okay, so basically what happened, the first figure came to second one, second figure came to the third one, and the last one went up. Okay, but the symbol here changed. Okay, triangle was facing upwards, it became downwards. Okay, so our arrow mark was here, so that one would become the second figure over here. Then there was one arc like this, that will become the third figure. Arc will become the third figure. And there was okay, so we have to see now we can do one thing. Arrow mark is the second one. Arrow mark is in the second over here. So it can be one. 1 minute. Triangle was here. Triangle became second one. Okay. Here the arrow mark is the third figure. So that means okay. Here D became here. So arrow mark should be the first one down. Okay, because from the third figure, from here, when you change to the fourth figure, it should go up. Arrow mark was third over here, it became first in the opposite direction. So we can eliminate all these options. Okay, 3 to 4. Just by seeing the arrow mark, you can decide the answer. You need not look for, in this kind of problems, what you have to do is, you have to see one particular type of object. Okay, and one particular object, what you have to do, you have to see that position, how it moves from the first one to the second one, from the second line to the third one, and that you have to observe and try to get the answer. So here the answer is option number 3. Okay, now fifth one, we will just observe there is one line which ends with a square. Okay, here it ends with a square over here. In the opposite one, in the second figure, it would be in the opposite side and facing upwards. Similarly, there is one line like it ends with an oval, that also would go in the opposite that will go sideways. That will go in the opposite direction. Okay. And there is one figure which ends with a Y, like an arrow here. It would be that one will go to the opposite side. It won't change the sides. Okay. Square will change the side. So here it is, if you observe, the square is over here, so it has to be in the opposite side facing downwards. And so which one will be the answer?
Option 1.
As Hemant, which all can be eliminated? You can eliminate answer number 2 because here the square is over here. The square should be on the right side down. Okay, square should be right side down. So you can eliminate option number 2. You can eliminate option number 3 because the square is over here. Okay, so as of now, we can consider option number 4 and option number 1. But then you have to see the other things. In option number 3, the arrow is facing downwards here. The arrow is over here, so it has to be in the opposite direction. So it should be here. So the answer would be option number 1. Fifth one, the answer is option number 1. Okay, sixth question. It's an easy one. You must have worked out many times Venn diagram. Okay, Shahan, can you tell me the answer? Teacher, writer, a musician.
Option 3.
Yeah, it would be option 3 because a teacher can be a writer. And at also time, a writer can be a teacher and also can be a musician. And here they have given you that P includes part of Q. So P includes part of Q, option number 3. P includes part of Q and part of R. But Q and R are independent of each other. So they are independent circles. So first condition is followed. Second one, P includes Q and part of R, but Q is independent. Q and R are again independent. That condition also follows. P, Q and R includes part of one another. Yeah, it includes one another. P includes both Q and R. So all the conditions are followed. So the answer would be option number 3. Okay. Now, a code language has been used to find the written words in capital letters. So in column 1, there are code letters clear. Then there are Greek letters in column number 2. So Greek letters in column, it is not in the same order. They are jumbled up. Okay. For example, in the first column, it is written clear. Clear is written. So clear's answer can be any particular alphabet in column number 2. C can be, yeah, any particular alphabet. It can be beta, it can be pi, it can be theta. Okay, we don't know. They have not put it in order, so which we have to find out. Okay, so like these questions, how do we find out? Now, first, the easiest one we will find out. B-U-T-T. Here 2 times T is repeated. So T will be that alphabet which will be repeated here 2 times.
Alpha.
So that will be this particular. Okay. Now, our first question is brown. So tell me which one will be B, because B is there only 1 time in column 1. So which is that particular alphabet, or which is that Greek word which is there only in this word? and it is only written once, because in other columns you won't find out B, which is that particular alphabet.
A,
A.
Why?
It won't
A.
be Y, it's Greek alphabets, it would be A, you know. It is not, we will check in the other ones. Yeah, so it is A. Now in this question, you should not be wasting time. So we have found out B is equal to A. Now in this option, A is the, in option number A, can you tell me whether A is the,
No.
Option number 3.
no,
Option number 3.
option number 2 also A is not there. You will see the answer only in option A in option number C. So the answer would be option number C. Okay, this is how in such questions you find that the answers very fast, because in none of the other options A is there, but B stands for A. So here options also it is jumbled up. So to get the answer, you have to search where is that A present, and that's alpha, not alpha, that's you have to find out that, and you have to tick that option. That's how you find the answer at a faster rate. So we have given here one more time. Now, okay. Now we will take liver, L-I-V-E-R. So in this one, L is there. In first one, L is there. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth one, L is there. Sixth one, L is there. So L stands for which word?
It's different. Y and like beta and theta.
It stands for theta.
theta,
So
theta,
theta is only here. Beta is not here, right? So it would be L is equal to theta. So can we eliminate option number A?
yes sir,
Okay,
Only
option number A is eliminated, option number C is eliminated, option number D is eliminated. What will be the answer?
option number B,
Yeah, option number B will be the answer. Okay. Now, question number 9. Questions are based on one diagram. So, here, triangle stands for lady. Triangle stands for lady. Rectangle stands for doctors. Circle stands for circle stands for teachers, and square will stands for engineers. So number of gen teachers number of gen teachers who are neither doctors nor engineers. So lady you can't take, so you have to take teachers is in circle, and triangle should not be a part of that because that is a lady, and they should not be doctors nor engineers. So you have to take circles alone.
Only the top
So
part
what
of
will
the
be the
circle.
answer? Yeah.
4.
4,
4 would be the answer. Okay, so same question, right? Okay, number of lady doctors. Number of lady doctors who are engineers. So lady doctors means triangle should come, rectangle should come, plus engineers. Engineers means square should come. So it's a combination of triangle, rectangle, square. Circle need not be coming. Okay, this is a different question. Question number 10. Triangle stands for lady. Here triangle stands for lady. The rectangle stands for doctors. Circle stands for teachers. And square stands for engineers.
Sir, is it 8?
Okay. Yeah, it should be lady doctors who are engineers, lady doctors who are engineers but teach children of the village. So it should be teachers also. So it should be a part of rectangle, triangle, square and circle. So the answer would be 8. Okay. Next one again. It is triangle stands for lady, rectangle stands for doctors, square stands for engineers, and circle stands for teachers. So number of engineers who are neither doctors nor lady teachers. So, but they should be teachers. So it should be a combination of square plus circle. So square plus circle. What is the answer?
7.
1 minute. Square plus square plus circle. Number of engineers. Engineers is square is here. What the number of engineers who are neither doctors nor lady teachers. Lady teachers is okay. See, from among the option, the answer would be 11, because 11 belongs to engineers who are not lady teachers and who are not engineers. But here, if given an option 5, if they give an option 5, you can take for option 5, because those are engineers who are teachers. They are not lady teachers. Okay, but here that option 5 is not there. So from the options, the answer would be 11. Next one. Question number 12 again. Triangle stands for lady. Rectangle will stands for doctors. Square will stands for engineers. And circle stands for teachers. Okay, and with has told 9. Let us see whether it is 9. Number of lady. Okay, now number of lady means who are neither engineers nor teachers. Okay, so they have asked number of lady who are neither engineers nor teachers. They didn't mention about doctors, so we don't consider that. So the answer will be 9. Those are ladies who are not engineers nor teachers. Okay, 9 is the answer. Next one, how many persons are engineer? Okay, now here circle, triangle stands for lady, rectangle stands for doctors, square stands for engineers, and circle stands for teachers. Okay, now they have asked how many people are engineers as well as doing the teaching job. Okay, Anvit has told the answer as 21. Let us check how many people are engineers. So engineers means it is square, teachers means circle. So it should be a part of square and circle. So part of square and circle. This can be the answer. How many people are engineers? And so this. How many persons are engineers as well as doing the teaching job? So these are in okay. How many are engineers? So 8. He is an engineer who does the teaching job. Here also 8. They are engineers who does the teaching job. Plus 5. Okay. So these 3 circles, 8 plus 8 plus 5. These 3 are engineers as well as teachers. This 4 we can't take because that is only doing teaching. So the answer would be 21. Okay, now this question, in this question, some letters stand for arithmetic sign as indicated below. The remaining letters have their serial number in the alphabets. Decode the letters into number and then decide correct alternative. Okay, so I'll just write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So A will stand for 1. Alphabetic position of A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D 4, E 5, F 6, G 7, H 8, I 9, J 10, K 11, 12, M 13, N 14, O 15, P 16, Q 17, R is 18, S is 19, T is 20, 21, B 22, W 23, 24, 25, 26. Now, N, A, C, E, D. Yes. And with us again told option D 38, we'll see. So, N's position is 14. A, they have told it is multiplication. C's position is 3. E, they have told it is minus. D, alphabetic position is 4. So 14 into 3 is 42 minus 4. The answer is 38. So the answer is 38. Okay, next one. I'll just give you 1 minute. Who can tell me the answer fast? You can message or you can tell the answer. Okay, Hemant has got 14. We will check whether that is 14. Okay, Brianna also has got that answer very fast. We'll check. They both have got 14. Anybody else got a different answer? Anvit also got 14. Okay. Now R's alphabetic. Niharika got 14. Good. R's alphabetic position is 18. F's alphabetic position is 6. D's alphabetic position is 2. And G's alphabetic position is 7. Now here you have to use Bodmer's rule. So it will become 18 plus 3 minus 7. So it will be 21 minus 7. That would be equal to 14. Yeah. So all of you have got the correct answer, 14. Okay, 16th one. Niharika, do you want to try? There are 4 figures. 3 are similar in a certain way. One figure is not like the other 3. You have to find out the odd one out. Okay, just observe the question. I'll just write here. First figure in the bottom, there are 3 circles. Then 4 circles in the bottommost, then 3 circles, then 2 circle, then 1 circle. Okay, Niharika's mic is not working, but she got the answer D. Option 3. No, she got the answer. Yeah, option D, 3. Okay, let's see. Now, in the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 circles in the bottom one. The next one, 4 circles, then 3 circles. Okay, Niharika's third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles in the bottom, 4 circles in the second one, and 3. Fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles, then 4 circles, then 3 circles, 2 circles, 1. Okay, so you can see it is when they go upwards, 1 circle is becoming less. 4, 3, 2, 1. The second one it is 5, 4, 3. The third one, they did not follow that criteria. It was 6, 4, 3. It should have been 6, 5, 4. So the answer, the odd one out is third one. Okay, 17th one. Anvit, can you tell me the answer?
Sir,
Yeah.
is it option 4?
17th one. 17th one, the answer is option number 4. So if you see, it's like an M. The figure is like an M, and there would be one line which will be facing upwards like this. Okay, and the other one would be below. Okay, but in the fourth one, it is facing downwards. So that one is the odd one out. It is not following that particular criteria. So fourth one, 17th one, fourth one is the odd one out. Okay, now 18th one. In the question below, 2 problem figures followed by 4 figures. Okay, now the first one, I will put this first figure and this one as the other one as the second figure. The first figure is connected with the second one. Okay, there is some characteristics which they follow. Okay, like that, one is hidden in the options which have the same characteristics. So you have to find out that. So which one will be the answer? Who wants to answer? Okay, Anvit has raised his hand. Anvit, tell.
Option 1.
Yeah, option 1. Why?
Because it is rotated in 90 degree.
Yeah, it is rotated in 90 degrees. Okay, if you see this particular first one, 2, 1, not rotated 90 degrees will be sideways. It's 180 degrees, right? It's flipped. This one both are facing downwards. Here, if you see, both are facing upwards. Okay, this one's 180 degrees over here. Like that, particular figure, if you see, it is just the 180 degree of the previous one. Okay, so option 1 will be the answer for 18th question. Okay, 19th one. One is related to 2, that is A is related to B, like that C will be related to D. So what would be the answer? Okay. Yes. Hemant has got the answer. Hemant has told the 4th one. Vaishali has told the 2nd one. Okay, it would be 4th one because that angle is like that. They have changed each one's angle around like 115 degree. So it would be the 4th one. It won't be the 2nd one. This one and this particular angle you can see. Okay, so here it is over here, so it should be facing down. So the answer would be 4th one. Now 20th question. There are small 3 figures. So here 3 arcs and came it like this. Here 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so from the figures only you can find out. You can eliminate option number 1. You can eliminate option number 2. It will be either option number 3 or option number 4. Which one do you think the answer will be, and why?
4, because from 2 it's becoming 3. So from 4 it should become 5.
Yeah, from 2 it is becoming 3. There were two small circles that became 3. So here there are 4. I mean oval, 4 ovals. So it should become 5. 1 extra it should become. So the answer would be 5th. Option number 4. Okay. Now 21st one. Following question consists of 2 sets of figures. Figure A, B, C, and D constitute the problem set. Yeah. So here A is related to B. The same way, you should find out what is the relationship between C and D. Okay. So here, first let us concentrate on the arrow. Arrow just turn the opposite side. So this one's arrow should be facing up. So what will be the answer?
Option 4.
Option
Yeah,
4.
we can eliminate 1, 2, 3. The answer would be option 4. Okay, next is the test of English language. If the vowels of the word privet are substituted by their immediate next vowels in English alphabet, the first 2 letters are substituted by the third letters to the right in the English alphabet respectively, and the remaining letters are interchanged between themselves, then what will be the changed form?
Option.
Okay, now we'll take it. P, just P, R, I, then B, E, T. The vowels of the word privet are substituted by their immediate next vowels in the English alphabets. So what will be I?
E.
No. Next A, E, I, O. After I, it should be O. And after E, which should be the vowel? A, E, I, O, U. So after E, the next vowel should be I. Then the first two letters are substituted by the third letters to their right in the English alphabet. Okay, so P, Q, R, S. Okay, so as of now we got S, O, I. So can we eliminate the second option? Can we eliminate option number C? And we can eliminate option number D also. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be option number A, SUOTIV. In GMAT, for you time is more important. You need not find out the correct word. Some clues you have to use and get the answers at a faster rate. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of loiter? Do you loiter around the campus? Yes or no? Okay, Divi, can you tell me the meaning of loiter?
Yes, loiter means to just hang around or waste time.
Move around without any, waste time without anything particularly in your mind. Dawdle,
The same thing, they're synonyms.
it's the same thing. They are synonyms. So, what do you mean by impugn?
Challenge.
Yeah, it means you are going against the truth. Okay, so impugn means that you are going against the truth. So can it be revenge? Going against the truth, can it be revenge? No, it can't be gamble, it can't be confiscate, it will be challenge. So the answer is challenge. Okay. Next one, 24th one. In the following question, 3 of the given 4 are alike in a certain way and form a group. Which of the one that does not belong to the group in the following question? So who can answer this one?
Option C.
Yes. Yes, Anvit, did you get the answer? 24th one.
Sir, is it
Okay.
option C?
Okay. Hemant has put option C. Vaishali has there are only 2 even numbers. Okay. In such case, we would see the divisibility test. Okay. Here we will go for option number C. Okay. Just one. Does the other 3 numbers is it divisible by 3? Just check and tell. 5 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So mostly here, don't go for odd and even. You should try out always the divisibility test. Okay. So whether you have to check whether one number is particularly divisible by 3, 4, like that, it goes on. That is the clue. Or observe the question. There can be cubes, there can be squares. For sometimes what happens, some numbers will be written in particular order, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be option A. Option B will be 4, 3, 1, 2. Option C will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Option D will be 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 5. So which one will be the odd one out? It will be option D, because rest all the options contains numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it contains numbers 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Now 25th one again. Now we will just concentrate on one particular figure type. We will concentrate S. S was here, S became the last one. So I'll draw the figures. There will be two figures. So here that spoon-like thing, so that one should be the last one. So can I eliminate option number 2? Because it doesn't follow that particular criteria. Now we will take next one, C. C became the topmost second one. So here it's again C. So in our answer, C should be on the top. So can I, no, in all the ones, it is this. Okay, now triangle came here. So here it is a downwards facing triangle. So downwards facing triangle will be the second one. So can I eliminate option number 3? Because here the triangle is upward facing. Now here one black dot is there. That black dot became the third figure. You observe here. So here one 0 is there. So 0 will become the third figure. Okay. Then equal to. Two equal to's were there. In that became the first figure 1. Here, yeah. So here it will be 1 over here. Okay. Now which symbol is okay? Now what symbol is over here? And here it is fourth one. Topmost right figure is changed in option 1 and fourth one. We will check that. How did they get topmost right one? Okay, the topmost right figure, whichever figure which was not there, it became the topmost right one. Okay. So arrow mark is already okay. Arrow mark is not there, so it can be that. Okay, here multiplication is there. Multiplication came instead of equal to. So in this figure, it is plus. So plus will become there. Okay, here it is multiplication. Multiplication is not there in that particular figure. So our answer is option number 1. So each one you see and you go eliminate the options and you go forward. That's how you find out the answer. So 25th one, the answer is option number 1. Okay, now 26th one, what is the answer?
Option C.
Okay, how did you get option C?
Sorry, option D.
It's option?
The fourth one.
Fourth one. It is option 4. Again, it is synonyms, right?
Yes.
Yeah, again, it is the synonyms. So they will get the answer as the fourth one. Okay. Now, okay, here in each of these questions, a group of letter is given followed by 4 combinations of the digit symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4. The letters are to be coded as per the scheme and conditions given below. You have to find out which 4-digit symbol combination correctly represent the group of letters. The serial letter of that combination is your answer. Now, P is coded as 3, E is coded as 7, Q is coded as ash. So that like that it is going on. Okay. Now, here our question is A, J, Q, T, H, I. Okay, Hemant has got option number 3. We will see whether the third one is the correct answer. So, if the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel, their codes are to be interchanged. So ours is first and last one, both are vowels. If the first as well as the last letter is a vowel, both are to be coded as pound, okay, or euro. Okay, so we will get that as like this. So our answer would be option number C, because our first one and the last one is a vowel. So we would put that as C. Okay. 28th one, again same question, similar conditions. F, Q, U, E, J, L. If the first letter is a consonant and last letter is a vowel, and their codes are to be interchanged. Both are not vowels. If the first letter as well as the last letter is a vowel, both are counted as okay. If the first letter is a vowel and the last letter is a consonant, both are to be coded by 8. Okay, so ours it won't be like that. So what is F coded as? P is coded as 3, E is coded as Q 7, Q is ash, A is 9, R is coded as 6, T is coded as 2, J is coded as dollar, L is coded as 1, F is coded as that copyright. Okay, so should be the answer would be D. Okay, again Hemant got that correct answer, D. Okay, this one who wants to try? 29th one, who wants to try this one? P, T, L, A, F, I. Okay, Divi has raised the answer. Divi has raised the hand. Okay, Divi, tell me, what answer did you get?
Yes, sir. For this, I got 4219 C3.
Okay, 4219 C3. Question number 29, no?
Yes.
Okay, first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel. Their codes has to be interchanged. Okay, yeah, codes has to be interchanged. So P is 3. So our answer will end with 3 and I is 4. So our answer will start with 4. So from the option, we have to select which one will start with 4 and which one will end with 3. So that is option number B. Next one, in a certain code, physical is written as M, Q, B, I, D, Z, J, T. How will be breaking written in that code? Okay, I'll just write this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is an interesting one. So I'll write P. Did anybody get the answer for this? P, H, Y, S, I, C, A, L. That is M, Q, B, I, D, Z, J, T. Okay, Hemant has got the answer B. Okay, can anybody tell me, this is an like this coding normally doesn't come? How did you get the answer?
First and the last letters are interchanged. Then the next letter is taken. I think the same is for the rest of the letters as
If you take, yeah. Now if you take, I'm taking 8th one first. eighth letter is which one? L, right? Which is the next one alphabet of L? It is M. Then I am taking first one. So they are taking one letter from the last, one letter from the front. Okay, and then they will take the next letter. For example, eighth alphabet, they started from here. Eighth one, L is the alphabet. Next alphabet after L is M. Then they came to the first one. First one is P. Next one after P is Q. Then they will go to the second last A. The next alphabet is B. Then they will go to second one. Next after H comes I. Then they will go to the sixth one over here. C. After C, it is D. Then they will come back over here. Of Y. Y is opposite. Y is next alphabet is Z. Then they come over here. I. After I, it is J. And after S, it is T. It's a very interesting one. So what we have to decode over here? Breaking. BREAKING. So first they will start with G. Next letter after G is H. Then comes C. Then after N comes M. F. I is J. D. Then K will one minute. This one went.
So can you explain this from the beginning?
Yeah, I'll tell. Okay. See here. Okay, now what's your name? Can you tell me your name? I'll it would
Yes, sir.
be easy for you to understand.
Divi.
Divi. Okay. So what they have Divi, DIVI. Okay. So how they have coded is first they have taken this last letter of yours. What is the last letter of yours?
I.
I. What is the next word? Next alphabet.
J.
After I, what is the next alphabet? HIJ. Right. Okay. Then they took your first alphabet, that is D, which is the next alphabet after D?
E.
E. Now they will go to back again. They took V, which is the next alphabet after V?
W.
W, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then they will take the remaining one and the next alphabet. I's next alphabet is J. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Did everybody get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. So I'll just give you a task now. Can you tell me what is the code? Decoding. The answer to this question is B. Now I have written my name. Can you decode this according to this criteria? When you decode this according to this criteria, what answer do you get? First, we will take the. Okay, we will see who will finish decoding first. First, we will take W. W is the next letter. Then we will take M. Okay. Already, I started the first word. By then, we got the answer XNFDIU. XNFDIU. We will check that. Next is M. M. Next letter is N. Okay. Then E. F. Okay. B. Okay. Then comes so first this is over. Then this one. Then this is over. This one. Next comes H. H is I. Okay. Okay. So who was that? Okay, Anvit, you were very fast. Keep it up. Hemant also got, but 1 second delay. Okay, good. Good work, Anvit and Hemant. Yeah. Okay. So now we will move to the 31st one. 31st one is I'm finding out an odd one out, kind of easy. Who can answer that? Niharika, can you answer me? 31st one. Okay. Yes, Hemant and Niharika both have answered. It's night. Priest, padre, and monk, they are all meaning the same. Those are spiritual leaders, whereas the knight is the person, is like a soldier. So, three spiritual leaders and one kind of a soldier. So, the odd one out is D. 31st one, the answer is D. Good work. Okay. I think Sanvi has not answered it till now. So, Sanvi, can you tell the answer for 32nd one? It's an easy one. Okay, I have written the answer. Okay, Sanvi has given the answer. It is B. Okay, it is B because all the other options, the same words are repeated, jumbled up in a different way. Same numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This number is repeated 3 times, but in the second one, it is 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So that is the odd one out. Okay. 33rd one, Vani, you also have not answered. Can Vani tell me the answer for 33rd one?
China,
is-
no, Mongolia.
Is Mongolia? Why Mongolia?
It's not a neighbor of India.
Yeah, China, Myanmar, Afghanistan. These three are the neighboring countries of India. So the answer is Mongolia. Okay, 34th one. In which of the following question, in the following question, 3 out of 4 figures, element 1 is related to 2. Find out the figure in which element 1 is not related. So there are 4 options with the two diagrams. So we can mark A and B. A is related to B in 3 options except for one particular one. Who can answer this? And tell me one. Yes.
Sir, is it option 3?
Just a minute. See, in the other ones, one part is over here, then 2 triangles are left, and then the third one, the answer is there. Here also 2 triangles are left, and third one. 2 triangles are left, third one, 2 triangles are left. Okay, why 3?
Because it is from figure A to B, it is rotated 90-degree clockwise.
Yeah. That's figure third one. Okay, now 35th one also similar. Okay, it is not similar. This is a series. Okay, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5. So which one will be the sixth figure? Okay. So here, okay, now first one and fifth one, it is like this. So second one, the line should be horizontal. Okay, then you have to see the flags. When you observe the flags, so the answer would be, when you observe the flags, it would be the answer would be the first one. Okay, now 36th question. First, there is one V here. Then that V became inverted, a U is added. The third one, again that V became inverted, U became inverted, again one V is added. Okay, in the fourth figure, V became inverted, U became inverted, that V became inverted. Okay, then two more were added, one more U and one more V. So we have to invert this. Whatever till now what we have done, we have to invert. So it will become V, this U will become inverted, this inverted V will become proper V, here U will become inverted, V will become inverted, and three figures were added. Okay, okay. So first here one was added, one U was added, then one V was added, then here one UV is added, here one U, V, then U. Okay, so our answer would be this V, inverted V, then U, then inverted V, here U, inverted V, proper V, inverted U, V, then it will become V, then U, V. So this will be our answer. So it would be the second option. It keeps on adding. The answer would be second option. Okay, a beautiful picture is being given. So who wants to try out this? Yes. Vaishnavi, you have not tried out. Can Vaishnavi tell the answer? Okay. Hemant has got the answer as 4. Vaishnavi, what answer you got?
4.
Okay, let us check. So here the ears are facing upwards, ears are facing downwards. Then again it faces upwards, downwards, upwards, down. So our answer, ears should be downwards. Then eyes remain the same. First one crying, second one happy. Crying, happy, crying. So ours will be happy. So first one is eliminated. Then triangle is same for everything. Okay. Then the legs should be, okay. It is like one J, L, inverted L, then it goes upwards, L, J. Okay, so it would be like this one. Uh, okay, both should be. Okay. So the answer is the fourth option. Okay. 38th one is an interesting question. Who can fill the answer? Yes, Hemant, Anvit, Niharika, anybody wants to tell the answer? You can unmute and tell.
Option C.
Option C, why? Now here, okay, here capital letter C is there, capital letter A is there. So capital letter, a small letter A, here it is 1. So here it will be 1. This will be C. Then near small letter C, it is written 3. We can take it as C. Yeah. D will be equal to 4. Here small letter 2 is there. Okay. So what I will do is, we have got capital letter C. Capital letter C will be 1. Here also it would be 1. So our answer will be that particular answer where the second and third figure will be 1. So it would be option C. Okay, 39th one, who wants to try?
Option B.
Yes, option B. 1 minute. I'll just write the positions. Just write. Twenty-three, 24, 25, 26. Okay, now how why DDS is coded as 8? B, 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 B into D. So B is 2, D is 4, S is
90.
90. Okay. So why does it come as 8? And K, J, I. K is 11, J is 10, and I is 9. 19 plus 4. Okay, that 1 minute. I'll come back to that problem. We will DDS is coded as Just a minute, I'll come back to that problem. Okay. Now BDS, if you do the totaling, B plus D plus S, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 19, 25. Okay. So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. So what we are doing here is we are doing the totaling. We are adding the alphabetic position divided by 5 plus 3 we will do. Now KJI, 11 plus 10 plus 9. So the total is how much? 11 plus 10, 21, 21 plus 9, 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now YMG. YMG. So Y's alphabetic position is 25. 25 plus M's alphabetic position is 13 plus G's alphabetic position is 7. Okay, so 25 plus 13 is 40. 25 plus 20, 45. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 plus 3, 12. UDY also we will check. UDY is equal to, so we have to add the alphabetic position divided by 5 plus 3. U is 21. 21 plus 4 plus Y is 25. So 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 10 plus 3, 21. Yeah, it should have been U is 21, right? 21 plus 4, 25, 50. 50 divided by 5, 10. 10 plus 3, yeah, 30. Correct. So what will be our answer? JET. Now what is J stands for? J stands for 10. 10 plus E is 5 plus T is 20. So it will be 15 plus 20, 35. 35 divided by 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So JET is a 10 and FST. Okay, just tell me what will be FST. F will be 6. S will be 90 and T will be 20. So 25 plus 20, 45. 45 divided by 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So it is 10 and 12. Our answer will be B, 10 and 12. Okay. 40th one. What is the answer? Again, I'll write here.
E.
Okay, do they follow a certain pattern? Tell me what is the pattern. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q.
So should I say the part?
S, P. Yeah, you can tell. Divi, you can tell.
Yes, sir. So in all of them, the first two letters are consecutive.
Yeah.
E.
Yeah, G and H. Those are consecutive. We'll try for the first one. G and H.
Then the third letter is one before the first one.
The previous one of the first one. Yeah.
And then I believe the next letter is 6 letters after it.
Yeah. This is means next letter after H.
Yes.
First we will take that word GH. So one is the previous letter of G, that will be F. One is the next letter of H, that would be I. Then from G, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters backwards. Okay, so we'll try that for the third one. U, V is the alphabet. So one is next one, previous letter of U, that is a T. Then the next letter after V, that is W. Then from U, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, yeah, Q you will get. Okay, same with ST. We will take ST. Previous letter of S is R. Next letter of T is U, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. O. Okay, so we'll take the second one, which is the wrong one, odd one out. OP. We got OP. So next previous it should be N, then Q, then 4 letters from O. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should have been K. They put it as M. So the wrong one is OPNQM. Okay, I think 41st one, the fourth option is wrong, I think. Okay, I'll just. Okay, Divi, did you get the pattern? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now we will take the answer is the first one, so we will take the second correct one, T, W, I, L. So here T, W, T is over here, W is over here, then previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. T, W, I, L. Can you just tell me the position of T, W, I, L? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, here it will be 20, 23, then 9, 12. So difference of 3, 3. Okay, now if you take R, U, G, J, R is 18th one, U is 21, G is 7, and J is 10. Again, the difference here is 3. Difference here is 3. 3. Difference here is 3. Now V, X, K, N. V is the 22nd term. X is the 24th term. The difference here is 2. K and N, 11 and 14. So difference here is 3. So Vx, the difference is 2. Kn, the difference is 3. That's why Vx, Kn. Okay. Now, accordingly, what will be the correct answer? Option D will be the correct answers. Because all by mistake they have given that, because all the given questions alphabets are given. In the third one, they give a quadratic equation. By mistake they have put. Okay. 42nd one is an easy one. Hemant, do you want to try that?
Yes, yes, option 2.
Okay.
For R, the
Okay.
code is faster, and for I, it is percent.
Okay. Now here, yeah, 42nd one. R is written as. Okay. Now Yeah, I'll just write READ. That is written as, it might be jumbled up. Okay, hash 5% 6. Then they have given PAID, so which is equal to dollar percentage for 6. Okay. So A and D is repeated, right? So what will be A and D? That will be percentage and 6. Percentage and 6. So AD is percentage and 6. So RIPE. So R will be either 5 or it will be ash. R will be either 5 or it will be ash. E also. E will be 5 or it would be ash. The same way, P will be either dollar or it would be 4.
So
I would be dollar or it would be 4. Yeah.
it's not jumbled up. Right?
Okay. Yeah. It's not jumbled up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So our answer would be,
Option
Option 1.
yeah, it should be option number 1. Okay. Yeah. Easy one. 43rd one. Okay. Now it's a series. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay. Then 16 plus 3 is 19. So both the bracket terms are correct. Now what they have told, both the bracket terms are right. 1 will be your answer. So our answer will be 1. Okay. Okay. Now next series. It is 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. 5 into 2 plus 2 or plus 1. We will see that. Five into 2 plus 1 should be 11. No? Plus 2 means 12 will come. Now 12, 11 into 2. Here,
So may I?
yeah, you can.
I put the answer as number 4 because 61 minus 41 is 20. 41 minus 25, 16. So the difference should be in multiples of 4.
2. So 25 minus. I think there should have been there should be 2 brackets, no? Okay, they have given 2 also as a bracket.
Yes.
So you mean 1? It should be 1, right? 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 12, 25. 25 plus 16, 41. 41 plus 20. Okay, so both the bracket what they have given is wrong. It should have been 1 and it should have been 13. So the answer is 4. Yeah, 44th one, the answer is 4. Yeah. 45th one, a tree is to branch. Okay, so a tree's one part is branch. So 45th one, what will be the answer?
Smoke.
Smoke.
Tree is to branch, chimney. In chimney only one thing goes. So 45th one, what will be the answer?
Smoke.
Smoke.
Yeah, it would be smoke. There won't be any other answer than smoke. Okay, then. 46th one.
Option A.
Option
Option A, if you put
A. C.
C. A, C, D, D. So it will become A, B, C, A. It's a repetitive one. A, B, C, A, A, B, C, A, A, B, C, A, A, B, C, A. So A, B, C, A is getting on repeated. So the answer would be the third option.
So, but in the Ignis portal, it says the option is the answer is the
Which
first
one?
answer.
Answers of?
In the Ignis portal, it says the answer is first one.
Sir, your first one can be done, right?
Okay. We'll 1 minute. Third one is put. Now I'll check. 46th question.
Also,
You mean-
sir, I heard
No, sir,
different
like,
options, sir. BAAB was the option also for me.
For which question? 46th one, right?
Yes, sir.
What was
And
your
I didn't
answer?
have seen the question.
What was your
The series was different,
answer?
sir. My option was BAAB. Series was different.
Yes, sir. Even mine, the question was different.
See,
Yes. AAB dash AA dash B is something like that.
okay, the series was different. What was the series?
It's AAB dash AA
AAB dash
AA
AA
BBB.
BBB
There's a dash before the B.
AA BB then dash. Huh?
No, AA dash triple B.
Okay. AA dash triple B
Dash triple A
dash triple A
dash triple BA.
dash triple BA. Okay, for this what we will do AA BB
Double, triple.
yeah AA BB then triple A triple B then but here you will miss.
At the end, it's triple B, then A.
You will but then we won't get a pattern, right?
So
One
in
more
the
B, sir.
question, it's last, it's triple BA, not BA.
Okay, triple BA here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then you will get the answer as BAAD, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I think that was the 47th question. I think, huh? This one, right? I think it's interchanged. Is it interchanged?
No, the 46th question is missing in.
Yes, sir. In the Ignis portal, it's under NTSE
Okay.
tab in the thing. So they got interchanged right now.
Okay, right. So yeah, so this one we got an answer BAAB.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. Okay, now 48th one. 48th one, I think 4 multiplied by 1.5, right? 4 into 1.5 is how much? Yeah,
6.
yeah, 6. Then I think 6 into 2.5. 6 into 2.5. No, 6 into 2.5 you won't get an
1.5, sir.
6 into 1.5, right?
Yes.
Then 9 into 1.5.
13.5.
Yeah. Then 13.1, 13 into 1.5.
It will be 21/4.
It would be 21/4. Option D or E, right? Go.
Yes.
It would be option. Okay. Next one. 49th one. This will be 16 into 1 is 16. Then 16 into 1 plus 1 point. That is 16 into 2.5. How much you get?
40.
40. Okay. Next one will be 40 into previous one you multiplied by 2.5. So 2.5 plus
10 to 3.5. 40 into 3.5.
yeah. 40 into 3.5 is 140. 40 into 3.5.
Yeah, it's 140.
You get 140, right? Next 140 multiplied by 3.5 plus 2.5. That is 4, 6. 140 into 6. You get 840. Yeah, 140 into 6 is 840. Next one will be 840 multiplied by 6 plus 3.5. The previous two, what you have added, you have to add. So 840 into 9.5 will be 7980. So our answer will be 7980 multiplied by 9.5 plus 6. That is 7980 multiplied by 15.5. So we get our answer as 123,690. Just verify that 123. Somebody multiply 7980 into 15.6. What answer do you get?
Yes, so 123,690.
Yeah, 123,690. Okay, the last one, 50th one. In each of the following question, a number series is given. One term is missing. Choose the correct alternative. Okay, in a certain spread the carpet. Here it is doubled up. I think spread the carpet. So that would be is equal to 274. 254 means dust the carpet. Dust the carpet is 254. And 234 means roll the carpet. Okay, so 2 and 4 will be uh, 2 and 4 will be the carpet, or 4 and 2 will be the carpet. Spread is equal to 7. Spread is 7. Dust is 5. Roll is 3. So what we have to find? Roll. The answer is roll. Roll would be 3. So the answer would be 3. Yeah. Abhinav Kumar has asked SAT social discussion. I think SAT discussion is kept for next Sunday, I think, 4 to 5. Today they have put only 3 to 5 GMAT, a math discussion. Okay. So is there any other doubts which you have? Yes. Do you have any doubts? You can either tell an yes or a no.
No, sir.
Yes, Divi, I couldn't hear.
No
Did you
doubt.
tell something? Okay, no doubt. Okay, so that's it. We will end today's class. Okay. Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.